We're back again with another video. Basically, in today's video, I will be showing you how to derivate exponential function. The first exponential function is y equal to 2 to the power x. However, this time around our variable x is exponent, and to derivate this one, we must first introduce logarithm. Then we're gonna have ln of y equal to. The principle of logarithm allows us to bring the exponent x to the front. Then we're gonna have x ln of 2. Now we can derivate. However, to make our life more easier, we're gonna break down the derivatives of the left hand side and the derivative of the right hand side. Then we will let y to be ln u. Then the derivative of y will be y prime equal to, the derivative of ln is nothing but u prime divided by u. Okay guys, here on the right hand side we got two functions. We have this function x and ln 2. If you recall well, whenever we have two or more functions that are multiplying each other, that's where we use product rule. Then we have y equal to fg. The derivative of y is nothing but y prime equal to, is when we are using product rule, we're gonna derivate the first function. Here we will derivate f keeping g constant, then it will be f prime g plus, this time around we're gonna keep the first function constant, f derivating g prime. Okay guys, let's use these derivatives to derivate this one. Then to derivate ln y using this one, we will do it like this. The derivative of ln u is nothing but u prime divided by u. So the derivative of ln y will be y prime divided by y equal to, on the right hand side we have these two functions that are multiplying each other. We have x ln 2, then we will use this formula. Okay, we're gonna derivate the first one keeping the second one constant. We will have the derivative of x is 1 times ln 2 plus, this time around we're gonna keep x constant, then we will have x derivating ln 2. Okay guys, the derivative of a constant is 0, because here we will derivate 2, then the derivative of 2 will give us 0 divided by 2. Yeah, just like that. However, this term will give us 0 because 0 divided by 2 is 0, multiplying by x will also give 0. Therefore, we're gonna have y prime equal to, y times this will give us y ln of 2 equal to y prime equal to. However, we know that the value of y is nothing but 2 to the power x. Therefore, we will have 2 to the power x ln 2. Yeah, we are done with this one. Let's do this one. Okay guys, this exponential function, it has this form, y equal to e to the power u. Then to derivate this one, we will do it like this. Y prime equal to the derivative of u, it will be u prime e to the power u, just like that. Meaning that we're gonna derive this one using this formula. The value of u is nothing but x squared plus x, then u prime is the derivative of this one. Okay, then if we derive this one, we're gonna have y prime equal to the derivative of u, the derivative of u is this one, and if we derive this one, we're gonna get 2x plus 1, because the derivative of x is 1. However, u is x squared plus x, then we're gonna get e to the power x squared plus x, here just like that.